Hi there.
In this video, you will learn the steps in detail to add your Zoho mail account in Outlook client using IMAP. Module 1. Enabling Outlook to access your data. Log into your Zoho mail account, navigate to Settings and choose Mail Accounts. Using mail accounts, enable IMAP access. Module 2. Steps to add your Zoho mail account in Outlook client via IMAP. Launch the Microsoft Outlook application in your Windows system. Select File and click on Add Accounts. A dialog box will appear. Choose Manual Setup or Additional Server Types. In the Choose Service page, select POP or IMAP and click Next. Then proceed to enter the following mail server settings for your account. Fill in your name of your own preference. Add your Zoho account email address in the Email Address field. Under Account Type, choose IMAP. In the Incoming Mail Server field, enter imappro.zoho.com for organization accounts and imap.zoho.com for personal accounts. In the Outgoing Mail Server SMTP, enter smtp.zoho.com. In the Username and Passwords field, fill in your username and password of your Zoho account. Ensure that Remember Password is checked, then select on More Settings. Under the General section, fill in the other user informations such as organization and reply email address fields. Under Outgoing Server Settings, enable the My Outgoing Server SMTP requires authentication option. Under the Advanced section, fill in the port number as 993 in the Incoming Server field and choose SSL or TTL from the drop-down as Encrypted Connection. In the Outgoing SMTP field, fill in the port number as 465 and choose the SSL or TTL from the drop-down for Encrypted Connection. Then, choose Next. Wait for the Outlook to test your account settings. Once the tasks are marked as completed without any errors, you can then proceed to click Close and then select Finish. If you see any errors, check the Troubleshooting section and rectify. You can observe the mails being fetched from one folder at a time. Now you have successfully added your Zoho mail account in Outlook client using IMAP. Thank you.